Good morning, friends. This is Thursday morning, and we are doing something that I am dreading, but also really excited about. And I'm gonna take you all along with me. We have new pictures, changing that out, and we're gonna be cleaning out this room. This is gonna be the baby's room. It's a little yellow in here because we haven't changed out those bulbs yet. Things to do, get an electrician over here to drop that chandelier and add different bulbs because it makes it look yellow. But first things first is going to be cleaning up this room. I have stuff I've just been throwing in here. We have pillows in here that I'm going to be going through, completely cleaning out this closet. This room's going to be getting totally cleaned out because our gender reveal is Saturday. I think whenever you're watching this video, it's the coming up Saturday. We're just going to be doing a smaller gender reveal. So I want this room cleaned up because as soon as we know the gender, Drew has been asking like every week whenever we're doing something to the baby's room. And so I was like, there's really nothing we can do until we know the gender. So I'm planning on cleaning all this out. It'll be wiped clean. I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I'm organizing some of the stuff we will be getting rid of. This cabinet, I'm planning on putting it in the guest bedroom. We'll cut through the guest bathroom. Again, another picture we have to put up there. I've had up the Christmas ones. So this is the guest, and it's pretty much put together. And this closet is pretty messy as well. And so we're gonna be going through and cleaning all of this up. I will be putting like some decor in here. I just want it to be a little bit more organized. We'll probably be getting rid of some things in here too. So I'm planning on putting that cabinet right here just because it's bigger and can hold more stuff. So I want it to hold like my sewing machine and things like that. That's in that closet right behind me. So I want to, that was at my mom's house in their garage for years. And so I'm gonna give that back to them.
You're all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind.
It's a mess before it gets better, but what I'm doing is separating these boxes of all these pillows. So I'm doing like summer. This is summer, but I only have 2 Valentine's Day pillows, so I just stuffed them in there so I didn't have to have another box. This is stuff that I want to get rid of, but I'm gonna have to wait to get rid of these in the fall and Christmas, because that's what that is. So we're stacking up all these boxes. I'll show you where. So this is where I'm putting all the boxes. Now I know it's a lot. This is all of our pillows for every season and throw blankets and comforters for every season. Now, since this closet isn't being used. I'm just gonna use this for storage for that. And then maybe one day if we have another kid in the future, we're gonna have to figure out another system for this. But right now we're just making this work. So that's that. Here I'm working with, this is decorations that I'm not using at the moment. So I'm thinking about all the decorations that I'm not using, putting them in this bin, and then tucking them in this closet too, where whenever I wanna pull something out, I can. I'm thinking about actually cleaning this out and using this for a bowl in the kitchen. So we may do that.
Told him how I feel about him.
We have not the best, well, I feel like it's really organized compared to what it was. So this is all stuff that I use swapping out stuff between the spring and summer months. So I'm gonna keep those in there. This is a box full of moss that I like to use. And then this I probably could put in the attic, but I'm just gonna keep it here from now. This is just a bunch of books I got from the thrift store I used to decorate with, but I hate to, and I'm not using them right now. I don't know if I ever will again, but I've seen lots of cute little things like projects on Pinterest you can do with books. So for now, we're just gonna keep this stack.
How wish you feel to save, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
Here's this room so far. So this is all the stuff that I'm about to try to sell on my Facebook marketplace. Lots of pillows and things. Not that bowl. That bowl I'm keeping. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. But all of this is summer clothes that I'm gonna sell. And then this is stuff I'm gonna donate. So I'm probably going to today post all this, so we'll see this dwindle down. Then after this kind of gets gone, then we'll work on that because it's still not really summer yet. And then in the closet, this is the situation. So this is Easter stuff, and we're about to be putting this stuff out sometime in a few weeks. So instead of taking it to the attic, I just went ahead and left it here. Once we finish with that, we'll take it to the attic, and that box will be out of here. This is a speaker that goes outside that Drew will probably put back out there in the next couple of days. So just put that in here. And then this is all baby stuff, like people's already sent clothes and diapers. This is some stuff that we're using for the gender reveal, some stuff that we might use for the nursery. So I just put all that in here, so I feel so much better. Now we're gonna change out these pictures that we've had up since Christmas. We're gonna change these out to the baby announcement pictures, and then I will leave these up probably until spring or summertime and then change them out again. But I just love these, and they're going to go perfect along with the theme that we're doing for our gender reveal, and I really cannot wait to share that with y'all. It is so cute. It's something that I came up with. I saw kind of an idea on Pinterest, but it has my spin on it, and whenever I share it with y'all, you are going to see what I'm talking about. But I just love these pictures. They make us so happy, and so I wanted them displayed on these walls in the hallway. And now I'm just going to throw away some of these flowers that I've had for a couple of weeks, and we're going to kind of dress up the bar cart, but I'm going to wait and do that on the other video whenever we start decorating for the gender reveal. So everything's going to be just a little bit bare. Okay, we're going to sit and take a rest for a minute. So this is the deal with the dining room, and I love this idea. I've been looking for one, and I think this is what we're gonna do. So I think I'm gonna get a hutch like this to go here. Now I know I said I didn't want a big china cabinet or anything like that, but this is a smaller version, and I think it will be perfect, and I already have the things in mind that I want to store in it. And so that's what we're gonna look for this side of the wall. And then I told you I was gonna put the bar cart over here. Well, I decided to put it on this wall, and I think it's really pretty. At first I thought it was gonna be too cluttered looking, but it's really not, because I'm not putting a lot of decor out, as you can see. So I think that what we're gonna do is redecorate this to make it look not so cluttered, and then probably put this mirror that I have on this wall up above it. So y'all let me know how y'all like the hutch idea. So this ended up being Saturday that I was able to do the rest of this stuff. So Miss Althea picked up these wreaths for me on her way home that I purchased online at Target, and she did a pickup for me, and they are beautiful. So we're going to use these on our front door probably for the rest of spring through summer, and I am planning on tying some bows on these later too. Now we're going back inside and going to start working on the bar cart area, and I really like the way that this little area turned out. So this is a mirror that I got from a thrift store a while ago. I can't even remember when, but I love that it has the little rose details on it because y'all know that I love roses, and I just thought this was really pretty above the bar cart. I've seen where some people have stacked like different pieces of art, but I had this, and so we put this up here, and it just turned out beautiful. And I've talked about this bar cart with y'all in another video. I actually got this from Walmart.com, and it is so pretty and elegant. It kind of reminds me of like kind of Great Gatsby-ish, and I love the remake of that movie. And so we never cleaned it off whenever we got it, and so I'm going to give it a good wipe down of the glass because there's some fingerprints on it, and then we're going to style it just a little bit. I have something really cute, or like a really cute idea. I've already got a list of things that I'm going to put on it. I have like list on top of list on top of list. Like my note section of my phone is just full of stuff. But I have a note section of everything that I want to put on this bar cart for the gender reveal. And I cannot wait to style this bar cart through the different seasons. It's going to be so much fun. And if you're wondering why I'm so dressed up, because y'all probably haven't seen me in a dress in a long time, I actually have a bridal shower today, my cousin's bridal shower. So I figured before we headed out to it, I would just throw these few little decor pieces together. So whenever I get home, it is such a beautiful day today. I can come home and change into something comfortable and hang out on the back patio. So I wanted to get the house all cleaned up and put together. Look, we're getting somewhere. I've got to figure out where I'm gonna put that dough bowl. I love it. I don't want to get rid of it, but I'm like, where can I put this in the house? Like, I need an idea. They moved the cabinet, which we're about to go organize in a minute. And then this stuff is, I'm thinking about keeping those or seeing if Mom wants them. I don't know, but the rest of it's sold. Got to work on that box of dresses, but the rest is clean. We just need to vacuum and mop in here. And after next weekend, we'll be ready to start the nursery. Here is the mess now in this bedroom. So this looks really good in here. I need to fix that picture, but I like this, and it's gonna have a lot more storage. So I'm gonna be able to put this craft stuff in here, and then also some books. So let's organize this real quick. Better. So that's a bunch of fabric and ribbon, some garden books and stuff that I wanted to read, so I wanted to get out. This is all arts and craftsy stuff, and then sewing machine. And then when my niece comes over here, she likes doing that little stuff, so that will all be hidden. Okay friends, well that is all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this little organize and decorate with me. Y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. A week from today that you're watching this video on Sunday, if you're watching it on Sunday, we will be announcing the gender of our baby. And so I'm excited to be able to share that with y'all. I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys on the very next one. I love y'all and God bless.